Hi, my friends. Okay, thank you because you are here following this course. So just be ready. Okay, thank you. Yes, this is your friend, your teacher, Markins. Okay, we're going to start. So we have our thought, okay, saying Jesus Christ loves you. Okay, before going further, we have our thought saying Jesus Christ loves you. Avant d'aller plus loin, nous avons pensé nous qui dit Jésus-Christ vous aime. Okay, Jesus Christ loves you. You can try to say it to you and try to keep it. Okay, okay, say it, say garder, say it. Okay, what we're going to see today, meeting and greetings. Okay, nous allons rencontre salutation, la rencontre au monde, comment on est capable de saluer, and even the timing, I mean, l'heure of zero, okay? I can put it like that. Wait for me. Okay. We have these two very common greetings, hi and hello. Okay, hi. Okay, hi, hello, hi, hello. So they are very common. Okay, très commun. They are very common. Okay, greetings. C'est salutation qui est très commun. Okay, we have. Don't forget that hi means salut and hello the same thing. Okay, salut. And we have some formal greetings. Nous avons aussi, okay, quelques salutations formelles. Okay, formal greetings, formal. Okay, formel. Ça veut dire en cas de présentation, formellement, you can use the formal greetings or for greeting someone, okay, formally. Pour saluer au monde, okay, formellement, you can use a formal greeting, okay. Vous pouvez utiliser une salutation formelle, okay. Are you ready? Est-ce que vous prêt? Okay, just be at this. Mettez-vous prêt, okay, mettez-vous à l'aise, be at this, and everything is going to be, okay, well done for you. Formal, okay, we can say, hello, how are you? It is a formal greeting. Hello, how are you? Okay, you know the meaning? Okay, the meaning is, salut, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Salut, comment est? It means also bonjour, which is salutation. But not really, but it means that too if you say that in the morning, okay? Okay, thank you. And we have good morning, okay? Good morning. Good morning. Bonjour. And if you want, you can add, how are you? How are you doing? Okay, how are you? Good morning. How are you? How are you doing? Okay. Comment allez-vous? And we have good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? And we have good evening. Okay. Good evening. Okay. In the evening, you say good evening. Right. Thank you. You will know morning, afternoon, evening time. Le matin. Okay, just wait. Okay. Plus, how are you? If you want, you can add how are you or how are you doing? Okay. Comment allez-vous? Comment est? Okay, you see? You can. Okay, it is nice to meet you. On rencontre mon la première fois. You can say that. Okay, you meet someone for the first time. It is nice to meet you. Okay, it is nice to meet you. You will see how the other person can answer back ou comment l'autre monde est capable de répondre. Ok, de salutations. C'est presque de même. Là, répondre aux salutations. Ouais, good morning. Je dis good morning. So it's nothing. And if you want, you can add something. So, vous pouvez ajouter un bagage. Okay, good. And now it is or it's a pleasure. You're gonna see. It's a pleasure to see you. C'est un plaisir, enchanté. C'est un plaisir pour moi, enchanté. Ok, au contraire, maintenant, on peut dire ça. It's a pleasure to see you. It's a pleasure to see you. It's formal, c'est formel. It's lovely to meet you. On va retrouver une première fois, ok? It's lovely to meet you. Cela signifie enchanté. Au contraire. It's lovely to meet you. It's lovely to meet you. It's la forme contactée de it is. N'a pas pour nous ça. Okay? It's lovely to meet you. Okay? And we have here, okay, some honorific titles. Nous avons ici, okay, là, quelques titres d'honorifiques pour honorer. Honorific titles, Meister, okay, Meister, okay? You can greet formally. Good morning, Mr. plus surname. Good morning, Mr. Oscar. Habitude absolument ajouter surname. Nous avons pour faire un coup exactement sur titles, sous-titres, honorific titles, okay? Et laisse-moi bien comprendre, but now we just greet, okay? Nous avons juste salué, nous pouvons faire comprendre salutation et répondre tout ça en timing. Good. Good afternoon, Mrs. And plus the surname. On met surname là, okay? If you can say good morning, good afternoon, hello, Mrs. Okay, or good evening. And you add the surname, okay? And we have now Miss. Good morning, Miss. For example, bonjour. Okay, good morning, Miss. Okay, and you put the surname. What mettez? Exactement. Signature là, surname. Good morning. And now we have Maze. Now, Maze, Pablo and Bab explico titles you. On y a absolument salué ensemble avec you. Okay, for example, good afternoon, Maze. Surname. Okay. C'est formel. Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Ouais, bonjour, monsieur, bonsoir, monsieur. Good evening, sir. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam. Good afternoon, madam. Okay? Good evening, madam. So, la forme contactée, c'est, okay? Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. And we have here, miss. Okay? Good afternoon, miss. Good afternoon, miss. Pas oublier n'a pas expliquer et laisse vraiment comprendre. Good afternoon, miss. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Ou madame. Mais n'a pas expliquer plus. Thank you. Just wait a moment. Just wait a moment, okay? Okay, welcome back to, thank you for your patience. And now, informal greetings. Informal, okay, informal, à dire very casual, okay? Informal, okay, informal. You can use, okay, the informal greetings with your friends, your family, or some people that are very close to you, okay? On peut utiliser informal greetings pour amis, même famille ou bien monde qui très proche, okay? We have hi, salut. You can say morning. Au lieu de good morning, informel, okay? Morning, c'est très important, okay? Morning or afternoon, okay? Afternoon, ça c'est la signifie salut, ça signifie bonjour aussi. Afternoon, toujours salut. ou bonsoir. Okay? Evening. Okay? In the evening, you can say evening. Evening, my friend. Okay? Evening. Bonsoir ou salut. Okay? Okay, amical. Okay, hey. Salut. Hey there. Okay? Hey there. Ok, toujours salut. Hey bro. Ouais, toute façon, ça va utiliser pour saluer le monde. Ok, ça c'est formel. Avec un mot, même famille, tout le monde qui est très proche. Ok. Hey man. Hey bro. Hey brother. Hey brother. Ok. You see? Hey man. What's up? Ok. What's up? Ça qui passe, ça qui fait. Ok. Quoi de neuf, tout ça. Le petit quoi de neuf. Que se passe-t-il? OK? What's new? Quoi de neuf? La même chose, what's up? OK? What's new? Ça tombe, on a habitué deux mots, ça, OK? On va saluer ensemble avec eux. Ouais, c'est comme si c'est une question, mais c'est une salutation, OK? OK, c'est une salutation, tout en demandant comment ça est, OK? What's going on? What's going on? Okay, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, what's going on? Going. What's going on? Okay? Toujours la même signification. Ça fait, ça va passer. Okay? Ça fait. Okay? Que se passe-t-il? How's that going? How's that going? How's that going? How is? Mais la forme qu'on a vu, c'est how's. How's that going? How's that going? Toujours, comment ça y est? OK. Comment ça y est? You can answer. Après, qui façon capable answer? Plusieurs façons, diverses façons capables de répondre à salutation, surtout informel. Informal, OK? We have now, how are things? On peut utiliser pour saluer informellement avec ce mot. How are things? Hey, how are things? How are things going? How are things going? Ouais. Comment bagay yo ye? Toujours. Ça fait. OK, ça passe. So, comment ça y est vous? OK, how are things? How are things going? Très formellement. Avec ce mot, mon très connaître, ou utiliser, you can use them, okay? Long time no see. Ou gen utiliser mot pas longtemps. Long time no see. Hey, long time no see. How are things? You can add it, ou ajouter le tout, okay? What's happening? Qu'est-ce qui se passe-t-il? Okay? What's happening? Ça qui passe? Okay? Mais c'est une forme de salutation. Des fois, si vous voulez prendre un thème de questions, vous voulez aller, vous pouvez répondre, vous pouvez parler de mots là. Okay? Not much. You can say that. Okay? Not much. Not bad. Okay? You can say like that. And we have yo. Yo is very informal. Okay? Très super informel. Okay? Yo. Moun qui très cool ensemble avec vous. Hiya. Okay? Toujours salut. Okay? Good. I think you understand and you can ask questions. Vous pouvez poser des questions, vous pouvez comprendre, vous pouvez poser des questions, okay? Just wait, okay? Wait a moment, I'll be right back, okay? Okay, now, ways to answer. Ways to answer. Façon de répondre, okay? Formal, to formal greetings. Il y a diverses façons capables de répondre. For example, hello, how are you? Okay? On peut répondre comme ça. On a déjà seulement to good morning. On say hello, how are you? Oh, good morning, how are you? Okay? I am good. Thank you. And you? I am good. Thank you. And you? Or and you. Okay? Good morning. It's nice to meet you. Good morning. It's nice to meet you. Good afternoon. Okay? Good afternoon. How are you? Good afternoon. How are you? Or you can just say good afternoon. Okay? I think you can add. Okay? Parce qu'on peut ajouter. It's a pleasure to see you. Okay? It's a pleasure to see you. Too. It's a pleasure to see you. Okay? You can say, it's a pleasure to see you too. It's a pleasure, okay, to see you too. You can say that. Okay? Good evening. Good evening. You say, good evening. Bonsoir. Okay? In the evening. Okay? And so on. When you can see, you can see that, or you can see other things, okay, that you can say. So we have good night. It is not a greeting. Good night, okay. Ce n'est pas, okay, une salutation. Good night. Juste pour souhaiter bonne nuit, okay. Good night. At night, okay. If you leave someone, so either you go to bed or something else, you can say good night because it is at night, okay. Thank you. Informal ways to answer. Informal ways to answer. So, hi, toujours salut, si mon nom hi, sous le cas de hi, or hi, my friend, hi, bro, okay. Morning, my friend, okay. Toujours salut, mon ami, ou bonjour, mon ami. Afternoon, you understand. Evening, my friend. Hey there, it's nice to see you. Hey there, it's nice to see you. Okay, good, thanks. Good, thanks. Okay, and you? It's nice to see you too. Okay, it's nice to see you too. Ouais, enchanté de te voir aussi. It's nice to see you too. Okay, you see? Good to see you. Good to see you. Les gars, enchanté, tout le monde, content de ce moment-là. Ok, content de ce moment-là. Soit pour une autre fois encore. Hey, bro, you can also look that. Ok, répondre comme ça. Hey, brother. Salut, mon frère. Hey, man, what's up? What's up, bro? I think you understand. Night, my friend. You know, night, nuit. Night, my friend. Or good night, you know, plus formel, mais informel. Night, my friend. It's not a problem. Night, my friend. And so on, okay? And so on. Thank you. Other ways, bon, nous ajoutons façon ça parce qu'il fait partie des salutations. Hug. Serrer dans les bras, you can hug someone, or plus you say something and you hug, ou dit quelque chose et puis ou hug, ou serrer dans les bras, mais c'est pas n'importe qui monde, okay? Not really. I mean your friend. That depends. So, what compte qu'il est pour faire, tu vas prendre à qui est pour faire. Kiss, c'est embrasser, soit avec un baiser, ok? You kiss someone and you say something. Ou dire une salutation et pour kiss lui, ça fait partie de salutation, comme augmentation. Wave, fait un signe, ok? De la main, you can wave while you say, ok? While saying hi, and you wave, ok? Ou salut avec moi, ok? Shake hands, serrer les mains. Ok, ou serrer les mains, par exemple, sur un mot connaître, ok? Plus, une salutation. When I say spoken greeting, okay? With spoken greeting, une salutation orale, okay? For example, good afternoon, and you shake hands, depending on the person, on the relationship, depending on the moment du moins relation, okay? Façon relation, okay? J'ai une relation viable. Relationship, okay? Thank you. So, time, okay? Just wait, okay? We're going to see now time. To say hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. On va le lire pour capable dire, okay? We say hi or hello. You can say at any time of day. N'importe quelle journée, you can say hi or hello, okay? At any time, okay? Good morning, sunrise, okay? Good morning, sunrise. Le soleil levé, on dit bonjour. Good morning. For example, at 6. S'il levé, par exemple, à 6 heures, you say good morning. But the morning starts, mais matin, la matinée commence at, okay, 12 midnight, okay, à minuit. At midnight or 12 midnight, okay? To OK, li capable finir jusqu'à OK 11:59 AM. 11h59 AM. N'a bien plus bon meilleure façon capable dire là ou même dire très simple là. Donc la meilleure façon là n'a fait exactement comme ça. On capable good afternoon qui l'on capable dire in the afternoon. Okay, in the afternoon you can say good afternoon. Okay, from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Okay, de midi from noon. Okay, or 12 p.m. 12 midday. Okay, you can say good afternoon jusqu'à 5h ou 6h dépendant du changement là. Okay, depending on the changement of the time. Okay, good evening, you can say that in the evening. Ou capable dire good evening in the evening. Sunset, okay, sunset or sundown. Okay, laisse ça soleil là, les mêmes coucher au coucher du soleil. You say good evening in the evening from 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. de 5h ou 6h depending on the changement of the time. Depending on the changement là, you can say okay, good evening until 9 jusqu'à 9h. OK, mais on va continuer du good evening bien qu'on va entrer dans la nuit. OK, from 9 or from 10 like that, on va entrer dans la nuit. But you can still greet people by saying good evening, okay, until midnight or 11:59 p.m. jusqu'à 11h59 p.m. Okay, you can greet by good evening, okay, formellement, or good evening formally, or evening, okay, informally. Okay, good night, okay. And now we have good night, bonne nuit. Good night, okay. When you leave someone, either to go to bed or to go to any other things, you can say good night because it is night. At night, you say good night when you leave someone. Lors séparé de monde, okay. You can say good night, okay. Ou capable dire bonne nuit. Good night or night. C'est tes amis, soit membre de famille, okay. Family members, okay. You can say good night. So I think you understand. But when you can ask questions, you can pose a question, okay. And you can greet me, okay. Probably I want you to greet me. Moi veux que nous saluons moi dans commentaire nous, okay. Greet me, please. Chaque monde a salué mon façon. Soit si c'est amour. Okay, so comme vous avez salué mon away. If I am not your friend, but I think I am your friend. But anyway, greet me in a way. De toute façon, salut non gens, okay? Greet me. I'm waiting for your greetings, guys. M'attend salutation, no? Okay, some of you. Okay, my friends. So that will be very important. Okay? C'est très important. C'est pas très important, okay? Et puis enjoy greeting. Okay, enjoy greeting people. Thank you. It was Marken Suska, aka Lidom. I mean, your friend, your teacher. Okay, I love you all. And I'll continue praying for you. God bless you. Thank you.